All right, guys, in this particular video, I am going to walk you through on how to get a web hosting account from Bluehost. Although there are so many web hosting companies out there, but I prefer to work with Bluehost because it's fast and trusted. So, and for that, if you launch the homepage of Bluehost on your browser, which is bluehost.com, and their homepage will open up just as you can see mine here. Now, once it opens up, what I want you to do is to hover up here and come down to click on Managed Hosting. And now you'll be presented with the hosting plans. Just go ahead and choose any hosting plan of your choice. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to choose Choice Plus. And once you are here, then you go ahead and fill in the name you want to use as your website name. It can be the name of your company or your personal name. So as for me, I'm going to use my personal name, Uncle Chinedu. So after you must have chosen and written your name here in this input, then you come at the extreme right end here and choose if it's going to be .com or .whatever. So you can make your choice from here. So whichever one of your choice. Once you finish selecting it, then you go ahead and click on search for domain. And here you can see your total, and with that you can go ahead and click on continue to checkout. So then here you can go ahead and fill in your checkout informations, including your address and your city of residence. Then under account information, you can come down and choose either you want to pay with PayPal or with card. So if you have chosen to pay with PayPal, then now you can go ahead and click on pay with PayPal. Follow the steps to make your payment. And after you must have made your payment, you will now receive an email from Bluehost to give you your login details. And with that login details, you can now be able to log into your Bluehost web hosting account, which is going to be the focus of the next video, where I am going to walk you through the Bluehost dashboard and also to show you how to install WordPress on your Bluehost account. So thank you for your time and see you in the next video.